He's crazy. No, I was wondering about the wings because I was like, gosh, I hope they're month to month. What's that look? What's that look? And you're like, what's up? Don't take a picture of me. I got funky hair.
I'm recording.
Oh man, that's even worse. That's what you do when somebody's recording and go, bleh.